Hello, I am Bug, and today I will show you the true nature and gifts of the very good and sweet. Nature! Bug, bug, bug. Now, you see my bug friends, this I am stepping here is moss. It's grass, but rocky. Bug. And now, because I am Bug, I will fly this iron stairs that is full of moss. Bug. 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 As you see here, this is the nature. Look at this tree, it's so good. Bug. Bug. Now this is a predator, stay away from it. Or I don't know. What do you want to say about this? The strange bug in your roof there. See that? See that? What do you know about that bug? Bug. What was he doing? I know the bees will sue me, but bug. Bug. Maxine! Okay, Max, what do you want to say about this bug? This bug. Bug. Ah! My mortal enemy has come to massacre me. The bug. Ah! Oh God. Bug. Bug. It's the circle of bug. Bug. Their Wi-Fi router is bug. Maxine, see it! Okay, come on. Maxine, see it, Maxine! Max! Okay, let's just approach him. What do you want to know about, okay, no, wait, not yet. What do you want to say about, oh God, no. What do you want to say about bug? Seriously? You aren't cooperating. Bug, and bug, that is the beauties of nature. Bug scribe, bug.